Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about the latest PDF scam that's going around. This is one that we actually got from a customer that didn't know that his email had been hacked. And this is what it shows you. It says proposal follow-up. It's got proposal follow-up.pdf, and it says please review attachment, and it's basically encouraging people to open up the PDF. And most people up to now think, well, PDFs are okay, I'm not going to get a virus from it. What this particular one is doing is it's embedded into the PDF itself, and what it does is it uses the PDF, the Adobe administrator rights, to capture your email and your password. So then your Exchange and your Outlook can be compromised. It sends an email out to all of your contacts, and now they've got access to your emails. And we had one company where funds were being transferred to a different account. So please be very careful at the moment. Anything with a PDF attachment, don't reply to it, don't forward it, don't open it. Phone the person who sent it to you, because it's probably going to be one of your contacts, and actually find out from them, did you actually send it? And if they didn't, then their email has been compromised. I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.